For example, one of these was struggling for 5-6 years with infertility, and at the end, I was not able to become a biological mother, so God's answer was no. And it was amazing in these years how the Lord comforted me and helped me make peace with this. Another big area was struggling with anxiety disorders and panic attacks, and struggling with severe discouragement and unmet expectations, as you can imagine. So this is another area that the Lord has given me a lot to share, a lot of insights, and have done with me really foundational work, let's say like this. And the third is experience I have passed through was a death experience. So to lose my beloved, my husband, unexpectedly 5 years ago. So I needed to pass through the valley of the shadow of death, through this mighty waters, and I'm still dealing with this. But I need to say the Lord is faithful, and I'm sure that the passing through this experience and the death of my husband was not in vain. I'm still seeing already some glimpses of the seeds and the work the Lord is doing in me, through my writing and speaking. So, as I said, many ways.